Okay, on this problem we are asked to find the sum. We have two polynomials that are being added together, okay? And in fact, this is a trinomial plus another trinomial. And what's really important here is that we think about this in terms of like terms, the pieces that have the same variable raised to the same power. So this guy is actually not in standard form. It's a little bit out of order. This a to the third term should go first. When we get our final answer, we'll make sure we're in the correct order. But I'm just going to go left to right, and the first term I have here is a 4a. So this is a technically to the first power. There is no other a to the first power piece. So this actually is not going to get combined with anything. It's going to hang out by itself. All right, the next term I have is this a to the third, and I'm going to circle it, but I'm going to make sure I can include that negative with it, because this is a minus a to the third. And as I move it around and combine it with other a to the third problems, I want to make sure I'm recognizing that it's negative. Now I'm going to add it to the other a to the third problem, which I have over here, which is 2a to the third. So these two are like terms, same variable, same power. They will get combined. Let's see, what else do I have? I have a -3. So that is what we call a constant or a just number. It doesn't have a variable, so it won't vary, it won't change. It's constant. And it looks like I do have another constant over here. I have a just number. So the -3 and the 8 will get combined. And then the last thing I have, kind of all on its own as well, is this -5a squared. There's no other piece that has an a raised to the second power. So because it's adding, I can actually just sort of take these out of the parentheses and group them as I need to. I'm going to go ahead and try to group them in the correct order. So the a to the third term pieces will come first. All right, so I've got -a cubed plus 2a squared. Then my next one is going to, sorry, that's a cubed. -a cubed plus 2a cubed. My next term is going to be the a squared. So I'll have my -5a squared. Then I need my a terms. Looks like there's only one of those two, so that is a plus 4a. It was positive, so the positive goes with it. This one's negative, the negative goes with it. And then I have a -3 and a plus 8. So again, those are grouped very specifically. The a to the third pieces are like terms. They go together. The a squared, there is only one of them, so it does not get combined with anything else. The 4a, again, that is the only one, so it's not going to get combined with anything. And then my constants, there's two of them, they get combined together. So now I basically have a -a, so -1a plus 2. -1 plus 2 is 1, so I get a cubed. This is going to become a -5a squared. It does not get combined with anything because there are no more like terms. Then I got a plus 4a, and then I have a plus 5. I believe these directions only ask for the sum, so this is the final answer. But often you're asked for other things, and I'll just throw them here at the end. If they wanted the leading coefficient, in this case, the number is 1. It's the number out in front of my highest degree term. We don't see that multiplier. That means it's a 1, so my leading coefficient is 1. My degree here is 3. That is the highest exponent on any of these terms. And then this is doesn't have its own fun name. It's just a polynomial. You get a monomial, a binomial, a trinomial. After that, they're all just polynomial for many, many terms. All right, I hope that's helpful. Message me anytime with questions.